Yeah, I confess, Father, I confess, 'cause I've been living wrong. I know.
Yeah, what is up, guys? So today's an early morning. Well, not really. It's about to be 12, but it's whatever. I'm at Anthony's house right now. We're picking him up. We're about to go to Advance to pick up a couple things. Then we've got to drive to one of my friend's house to go pick up another thing. And man, y'all see it in the videos, man. But keep watching, man. It's been 2 hours. He's finally outside. What is up, guys? So we just left Advanced Auto Parts. I don't know if Miguel told you he was gonna come pick me up, but we're gonna end up working on the car today. Yeah, I already told him all of that shit. Oh, alright. So what did you pick up, bro? So we picked up some goodies from Advance that I need so we can do what we have to do today. Right now we're gonna head to it looks kinda dark right now. Straight. Right now we're gonna head to Blair's house right now to pick up some headers. Pick up some coilovers, and from there we're gonna go back to Anthony's house and get to work on our Civics. We'll be back, guys. So what is up, guys? We're all at Anthony's house right now. Cousin came through, and this is what I picked up: 1320 headers. And eBay exhaust. Now, you guys are gonna ask, why an eBay exhaust? Because eBay exhausts are cheap, they work good, and I'm cutting off the muffler to put on a different muffler. But I'll show you guys the headers and the exhaust out of the box. Alright guys, so I got the 1320 headers, official, and then the eBay exhaust. That's gonna end up coming off soon, but the piping should be fine. But we're gonna jack up the car, take up the old header, throw this on, and then go from there. And I actually got the rubbers and everything, the exhaust bolts in this bag. Oh. Exhaust bolts, exhaust rubbers. Should be one more. Alright, so change of plans. We can't do the full exhaust today. All I can do is put on the headers because the flange is meant for 3-inch piping. That's way too big compared to the 2-inch. So what I have to do, I'll probably do it another day, I'm not going to do it today or have time to, is cut this off and weld this flange on. That way I could bolt it on. But I think all I'm gonna do today is put on the 1320 headers. It's kind of a bummer, but we'll get it eventually. But yeah, let's start doing that. I still got the car jacked up. We're gonna take off the headers, throw on the headers, and pray that that doesn't give us an issue. The headers don't give us the issue either with them not fitting or something. Let's see, let's make it happen. Yeah, the 1320s are right there. The old ones are right there. We already got everything started. We're supposed to do the whole muffler, but certain things I can't do today. So we're just gonna install the 1320s, got the cars. I'm gonna put my corner lights on, and then call it a day.
All right. Peep that car behind us, guys. I got you guys with some cinematics.
Oh,
so this is just the 1320 headers.
Curves perfectly.
For real?
Yeah.
This is the headers alone, no bolts on. Wow.
Yeah. That shit fits perfect, dude. Wow, that's nuts. Alright, so
that's what happens when you get legit headers.
So I'm gonna take this off and change the gasket because they gave us a new one.
So you don't gotta worry about the oil leaking out through the gasket now.
Oil? Nah, nigga, the what? It doesn't leak out of the header, stupid. You really just said that?
Out of the gasket.
This gasket's where it's leaking through, bro.
Oh, I thought you were talking about this.
No.
Because when you pointed at that, I thought you were talking about that.
That's good enough. Bro, I was mad scared these headers weren't gonna fit. I go.
Boom. Look at it. Yo, they look so clean.
They do, right? Yeah, I gotta fix that ground too.
Alright, headers are almost on. Got the top bolts tight, bottom bolts tight.
Silky beat.
Alright, what's the best part about getting 1320 headers?
The sticker. Where should I put it? Damn, they already shitted on my shit. I think right here.
Yeah. I'm telling you, yo, just give me this sticker right here.
Whoa.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
I already hit it.
What do you guys think? Comment down below if you think Miguel should give me the sticker right here.
Fuck you. Nobody comment shit.
Comment down below if you think Miguel should give me the sticker.
Oh, that shit looks hard.
Woo! What do you guys think?
Bro, you're not keeping that
Ooh.
sticker, dog. Thank you, sir.
Oh, yo, hold on. I got it.
Alright, so the headers are on. They look good. They fit good. They hit a little bit against the radiator fan, but I think I'm just gonna cut this little corner out and it should be fine. Diablo, papi!
That shit came out crooked.
Because you should have put it on the same line, like in this line. Should start from this
Yeah,
line.
for real.
Like
Nobody
this.
will notice that shit though. What is... Oh shit, this is zoomed the fuck in, dude. So what is up, guys? So, quick update. So, this is what, like a week after. I got the 3-inch flange, or whatever the hell you want to call it, welded on to the actual piping. It cost me 20 bucks. So now we can go ahead and put the rest of the piping all the way to the back, because dude, I cannot stand this rattling. The rattling on the headers is coming. There's like the flange is like this, the one that I showed you guys, and it just rotates and moves, and every time I drive it, or, oh my god, it's annoying. But let's go ahead and jack up the car, put the rest of the piping on, and see how it sounds. I haven't rocked an eBay piping in a long time, so see how it goes. Alright, so the car's jacked up, everything's up, eBay exhaust, everything's sorted out. So hopefully this install will be easy with no issues, no nothing. My car won't be loud.
All right, can you explain to YouTube what your whole body is doing underneath the car just for a muffler install?
I'm fighting with a dragon.
My boy's legit under the car.
Nigga, it's not a muffler, you fuck.
What is it?
It's a fucking exhaust.
It's the same
Exhaust,
shit.
eh?
What holds on to the muffler?
Piping.
Oh, fuck! Boy, you.
Bro, the sun's about to come up, bro. You don't feel that?
Yeah, but earlier on the news it said it was supposed to rain. Well, anyways, so the piping that I bought didn't fit this car. So I guess there's a difference between, I guess, Canadian, some dumb shit I was looking on the forum. So basically it doesn't fit. But my best get, I don't even think it's that. I think it's the headers. The long tube headers are too long and push the exhaust back. So what I'm going to do now, instead of, I already spent $30, I'm going to bring this car to a welder at 2 o'clock. He's going to make me a pipe from the front all the way to the back, and then I'm going to put on my muffler. So The muffler that I have, you guys will see it in a minute. I wasn't trying to put it on today. I was trying to put it on like next week or another time, but that's not the case. So, alright guys, so this is the muffler we're working with. I picked up a Ktuned racing exhaust. I'll show you guys when we get to the shop because I'm kind of in the rush at the moment. So we're gonna head over there right now. I know this video's everywhere. I'm sorry, but just, you know, just stick with me, all right? Stick with me. All right, so this is the muffler I picked up. Sorry if you guys can't hear me. I'll show you guys now. Here's the muffler. The car.
Oh, there's a muffler.
Yeah. Setting up the car right now. We're about to start bending the piping to then weld that on. We'll slap these babies on, or this baby on, and put the hangers on it. And call it a day. He's in the middle of welding. It's almost done. We're gonna put the Ktuned muffler on. It's sitting over there all alone by itself.
Ya, aquí. Oh, okay. Yeah.
What's it aquí?
So guys, this is what I've done so far. I got the 1320 headers on. Had to cut up the radiator fan, so it was in the way. But it's clearing it now. Everything's tucked really, really, really high, so once I lower the EG, it shouldn't scrape at all. The muffler's sounding really good, really high. It sounds really good. We're gonna do a sound test in about a couple minutes. What up guys, this is the day after. I didn't get to record yesterday because we started celebrating a little earlier for my birthday, but the headers are on, the exhaust is on, no leakage, no nothing. Sounds really, really good. The way it drives is a lot better. Because I was reading on the forums too, or something about back pressure or some shit like that. But it drives a lot better than before. No sputtering, no nothing. I don't know what was wrong with that, but I'll give you guys a sound test. The EG right now.